Hi everyone, I'm Audrey and this is It's On. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. I'm really glad you're all here. So in today's video, we are going to do a beef fajita. This is a super quick, easy weeknight meal. It's great. This beef mixture that I'm going to make, it's 3 ingredients, super easy to put together, and it goes great on just salad if you want like a beef fajita salad. It goes great in the tortilla wraps that I do on this channel. I'll put the link below, or alongside vegetables. It's tasty either way. So I hope that you like this as much as we do. Without much more chatter, let's get cooking. We are back with a taste test of the beef fajitas. This was really good. It was super fast to put together. I used sirloin, top sirloin, kind of thinly sliced for this. And like I said, I actually prefer, well, this is good in a tortilla, which is how I'll show it to you. But I actually prefer it, or like it just as well, on salad. On just a salad, just the meat and onion mixture with a little bit of olive oil or avocado oil. If you've got avocado or guacamole, that's really good. This would be better with cilantro, like my other fajita recipes, but again, my family doesn't care for that. I do, but we just don't have it in the house. So, but it'd be great with cilantro. I'll show you what it looks like here. And let's give it a taste. It's a little bit, I think I overstuffed it a little bit. Let's see. Oh gosh, yeah, I'm gonna lose part of it here. All right. I made this 2 nights ago, and it's still really good. So in the first night that I made it super tender, easy to eat. I made it on a big salad. It was delicious. Tonight, it's still really good. Heats really well. The flavors just intensify a little bit from the AIP taco seasoning. And there's a dash of salt. Just do that to your taste. I would like it to be a little bit more salty. It would be excellent with just a squeeze of lime. It'd be excellent with some cilantro added. Any of that actually would just be a flavor boost for it. It'd be really good. But this is a really good baseline fajita recipe. One thing I would say about this one, guys, is that while I did it in the skillet, you saw, you could easily do this similar to how I do the prep the chicken, and you could bake it. It's just that sirloin tends to cook better if it's kind of fast fry, dry heat. So you might want to use a slightly different cut of meat, maybe flank steak or something like that if you do it in the oven. So anyway, this is really, really good. I hope that you try this. I hope you like it as much as we do, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, everybody.